Can you imagine a world where the future is as predictable as the past, where the mysteries of tomorrow are unraveled today? Welcome to the revolutionary realm of predictive analytics and data mining. In the bustling metropolis of raw data, predictive analytics is the supercharged sports car racing towards the future. Its power lies in its ability to forecast the unknown. It's like having a crystal ball that can gaze into the future, but instead of magic, it harnesses the might of statistical algorithms and machine learning techniques. It's the secret weapon businesses use to anticipate customer behavior, optimize operations, and make informed decisions. On the other hand, data mining is the diligent detective, meticulously combing through the vast labyrinth of information. It's not concerned with the future, but rather, it's focused on finding patterns in the present. It unearths hidden connections and unexpected trends. It's the magnifying glass that reveals the intricate details within the data. So what's the big deal about predictive analytics and data mining, you might ask? Well, imagine knowing the outcome of a football match before it even starts, or predicting stock market trends with uncanny accuracy. Imagine being able to stop a cyber attack before it happens, or forecasting the spread of a disease before it becomes an epidemic. That's the power these tools hold. The key to understanding predictive analytics and data mining is recognizing their unique strengths. Predictive analytics looks forward, predicting the future based on past and present data. It's like a time traveler, zipping into the future armed with the knowledge of the past. Data mining, however, is more of a historian, analyzing the past and present to unearth hidden patterns and relationships. In this grand symphony of data, predictive analytics and data mining are the maestros, orchestrating insights and predictions. They are the tools that transform raw, unstructured data into valuable, actionable knowledge. They are the keys that unlock the power of data. So, as we stand on the brink of a data-driven future, remember this: the power to predict the future and understand the present lies in our hands. With predictive analytics and data mining, we're not just observers of our world, we're the architects of tomorrow.